Hi there. I'm Susan Finn. I'm a digital marketing guide. My team and I at Rise Above Noise are guides and support systems for heart-centered entrepreneurs who are feeling chaos, confusion, time suck around their digital marketing. When I say digital marketing, I mean how your website works for you, some simple search optimization. We help people with their social media posts, and we help people with email marketing and funnels. Our Rise Above Noise system is based on helping entrepreneurs gain a sense of control and calm around their digital marketing so that they can continue to show up with consistency within their integrity to grow their business by attracting the clients that are really meant to work with them. I look forward to an opportunity to talk with you about your heart-centered business.